What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine photos together on your iPhone. If you've ever wanted to merge two or more photos into one image without using any third-party app, you can easily do it using the built-in Shortcuts app on your iPhone. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom left, tap on Shortcuts to access your shortcut collection. Then, tap the plus icon at the top right to create a new shortcut. Start by tapping on New Shortcut at the top and rename it to something like Combine Photos, so you can easily find it later. Now, you will see a search bar labeled Search Actions. In the search bar, type Select Photos and tap on the result when it appears. Once added, tap on a small blue arrow next to it and enable the option Select Multiple so you can choose more than one photo. Next, in the same search bar, type Combine Images and select the action when it shows up. You will notice it gives you a few options on how to combine the images. Tap on horizontally, vertically, or in a grid based on how you want your photos to appear. For this tutorial, we'll keep it horizontally. After that, search for Save to Photo Album in the Action search bar and select it. This will ensure that the combined photo is saved directly to your iPhone's Photos app. Once all these actions are set up, tap Done in the top right corner. Now, to make it even easier to use, tap and hold on your newly created shortcut. Tap Details, then select Add to Home Screen and tap Add. You'll now see the Combine Photos shortcut on your home screen. Whether you want to merge photos, simply tap on this shortcut, select the images you want to combine, and then tap Add in the top right. The shortcut will automatically combine the images and save the final photo in your Photos app. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.